Hi, Terry here. I would like to give you my opinion on the meaco DD8L dehumidifier. We used to have an old compressor type dehumidifier that worked well for many years, but after it froze up we decided to change to a desiccant dehumidifier. Our conservatory regularly drops below 10 degrees in the winter and we need a dehumidifier to compensate for the condensation. Also, it helps dry the washing. After reading a few reports saying that these humidifiers were better for cold conditions, we decided to give it a go. We have had the dehumidifier now for 12 weeks and it seems to be working fine. It stops condensation and keeps the conservatory dry. This is the meaco DD8L Junior. It's very compact and very quiet when running. The control panel is on the top and it consists of the start-stop button, the fan speed and the humidistat. Also there is a timer if you want to switch it off at set periods. We run ours on fan speed 1 and on the selected humidistat with the thumbs up. The only problem I have with this dehumidifier is that the water container on the bike is very small and we need to empty it every day.